Hey guys, welcome back to Wonder Off-Road. Guess what guys, we got a good video today. We got King of the Hammers 2024. Also guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. That way everyone can enjoy the fun. All right guys, we got one hell of a video for you guys today, so let's get into it. Hey guys, thank you for joining us today as our recap of King of the Hammers 2024. And isn't that a beautiful sight, Hammertown? What's better than being in Hammertown? Oh, Hammertown has a lot of great things for you to explore, for you to see, and also being at King of the Hammers, there's so many different places for you to watch this race. King of the Hammers has some of the most interesting races you can see. It's not a straight track, it is rock crawling, hill climbs, and they just do it all going as fast as they possibly can in record time. And no matter where you watch this race from, you're going to have a great view unobstructed with some good friends to enjoy that race with. But if you're not all into watching races, there's still plenty of good area where you can wheel in this area for King of the Hammers in Johnson Valley. So don't feel like, oh, you just can only go there and watch a race. No, you can do a little bit of wheeling outside the track area, so that way you can still feel like you're part of the King of the Hammers too. Update here. We are now inside Hammertown at King of the Hammers 2024, and you got a bunch of cool vendors right behind me, as you guys can see. We got Firestone, and the best booth of all, we got Toyota right there. So let's walk around. Let's see what we can find today, guys. All right, guys. I've officially found the coolest vehicle over here. We got an FJ45. Check this guy's out. Oh wow! Look at this custom-made Toyota Land Cruiser of an FJ45 chassis. Oh man, look at all the goodies they put on here. Now this is one hell of a rig you can take off-roading. Of course, I don't know if I want to wheel, but it looks like someone else already has. It looks like they had one hell of a time. Check it out. Now, Hammertown has some great vendors for you guys to check out. So when you're here, look at all the booths that they are set up. You can find some really good hidden gems and meet some really cool people along the way. Hello.
Hi.
Can I get the recovery one, please? Thank you. Now, King of the Hammer is not just about vendors. It's not just about the race. It's about meeting people from all over the world who come out to see this event. And also, it helps us meet some of these vendors and get some real insight on some products that you may want to upgrade your vehicle to. And guess what? King of the Hammers is for everyone. Bring the whole family down here. Though my favorite part about King of the Hammers is the rare vehicles that you can see from all over come here. We got to see this beautiful Unimog and some other really cool homemade creations. It's a real Mad Max out here. And this is my recap for King of the Hammers 2024. It was an epic adventure being out here and being with some good friends. And I can't wait to come out here next year. Hey guys, if you like this content and want to see more like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's help this channel grow. Also, check out our merchandise. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.